If you're thinking about purchasing a course from International Open Academy, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. Stick around until the end because I'll be comparing it to its competitors and giving you some crucial insights that will help you make the right choice. First, the platform offers a broad variety of courses, making it a popular choice for people looking to learn new skills or enhance their qualifications. Whether you're interested in personal development, career skills, or even something more niche, like learning how to become a life coach or a dog trainer, there's a course for almost everyone. Unlike some of its competitors, which tend to specialize in a certain field, International Open Academy is highly diversified. This could be a big plus if you're looking to try out different subjects without committing to a specific professional track right away. Next thing you should know is that International Open Academy has a flexible pricing model. While their courses typically range between $10 and $50, they often offer discounts, which can be a game changer if you're on a budget. The affordability, paired with the quality of content, is what makes it stand out from some higher price competitors like Udemy or Coursera. These platforms can charge much higher fees for their courses, which may not always offer the same hands-on or personalized learning experience. So, if you're looking to learn without breaking the bank, this could be an excellent option. Moving on to the course structure, International Open Academy's courses are all entirely online and self-paced, which is perfect if you have a busy schedule. They offer lifetime access to all their courses, meaning you can go back and revisit the material anytime you want, even after you've completed it. Some other platforms, like LinkedIn Learning, may limit access once you've completed the course or require a subscription for ongoing access. So, if you prefer the freedom to learn at your own pace without worrying about losing access to the content, International Open Academy has a strong advantage here. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that while the courses are well structured, they aren't accredited. This might be fine for personal development or hobbyist learning, but if you're looking for certification that's recognized by employers, you might want to consider platforms like Coursera or edX, which partner with universities and provide accredited courses. However, International Open Academy offers a certificate of completion that can still hold value, especially for those looking to add new skills to their resume or portfolio. Another thing is that, although the courses are affordable and flexible, the customer support experience can sometimes be inconsistent. While many users have had great experiences, there are reviews from a few that mention slower response time.